다 그외 최주디 나로리아 니버디 대바도 존주기 라마타베가 가시 주고 가신 주버시 그외체 안디 주제 수바디 칸사게 균세베 라메 당과마 노시크스 제상 다디지 다다나 신지 시버시럽도 대반nen데 라메 투공로 버시 라마탐 투공로 버시 그래서 또 되게 상황로지 라마도 되어야 돼 봐. 다 인두산에 다 되게들이야 제체 아야지 스카시지 셰하면 좋습 정도.
So among the 10 necessary things, we have gone over the second one. It is necessary to practice with faith and diligence in accordance with the instruction of the Holy Gurus. And the third, it is necessary to select instructions of one's Guru unmistakably through understanding the difference between instructions that are appropriate and inappropriate. And so it seems like the following line also, it is necessary to enact the intentions of the Holy Guru with knowledge, faith, and diligence. So since all of these seem to be in relationship or in one's relationship to the teacher, so maybe along this line, some words can be shared with you.
단 니들 장조 진내기 다 지숑기 잠정 미저와다 안 쿠유 미저에 나로리아 찬론 총대베 아주지 나주냠레 챙게 디들이야 양지 라마 최아다 라마 대야 고리야 양 참선지 미세 강에 든데 요아소 든데 미세 강에 태 안 다나 신지 태양 라메지 최딘주라야 양고 가소에 랑소스기 안 캄메바 안 다나 신지 쿠요다 감정 민자여베 인상 디들이야 양지 소스기 아니 몇바다 팀베 토네 에너지 최나 디디 최마 수야 토리 미네 엔데르데 신지 가쇼에다 넘버 나소르지 공개 수시다 내림 차디요네 제자 배차샤입니다 네 되균지 최를 시작하지 두산 가제도 도르지 에너지 지중이 감정 민저베 에네 최냠레 생에 소리야 관주지 강원도 팀베토네 에네 가제도 도르지 마지 뒤에 최시하루지 매주 최대한 처네 얘네 삼성 가버지도 가랬잖아 소수 지숑기 다 구즈지 지숑 감정 되들이야 당연히 대바셔샤 야다 양을 망보자 대신 항상 니셔스다 좀다
So in as a teacher in giving or transmitting the teachings, given that in a number of cases there are very differing social and cultural as well as environmental background, that is the environment within which one is raised. So obviously there are very specific or particular difficulties related to that, which is to say that the cultural and social and environment can present as an obstacle in being able to understand the teachings. Then of course there are also a number of other backgrounds beside that in terms of the habitual. So even when a teacher is giving teachings also, one needs to consider the different propensity, the different mode of the mind of individuals, and again, as well as the cultural, social, and so forth, background. So, when I present teachings, I try to bear that in mind, and to the best of my ability to take that into account and see how the teachings can be presented in accordance with the differing cultural, social, and so on background. But obviously, it is a difficult task.
잠잠지 배바시아디 지게는 나와서 루이즈마디 그도르 집에 네 까단데니르 수지 잠잠지 까단데니르 소면로 저 배배 나노래 지 제어를 니 제어를 지 가서다 이제 유에 시자 전에 지 시윤주산에 안 고조지 시윤주산데 렘버리지스만 잠잠지 지게래야 시합데 배바시아 윤주산에 아니 수부라지시라 용유스만 다지 바지 랍랍 단데면서 근데 제가 컨텐츠도 저랑 삼나 컨텐츠도 생각했지 다 가서 지마 람드응기 깔로스지 미미체 삼자세되니 수지 근데 좋은데 제가 삼성 딱 지제리제리 메두스안에 심리야 아니 두버균리가 지지 제용도 두버균리 디나 가르쳐 알았잖아 장부시에나 농라포 덴바시에나 와서쇼 안 가자 아니 사무시에나 마고세 아니 가자네 숨바디 숨바디 정도다 사무시에나 마고세체 아니 숨바디 카로데나 쿠버 통세 지어르데 제가 계속 데마데냐 가서에다 뭐니 주디 버리보디 고라 지 가시 나게 좀 니주 좀 먹고 물어봐 제가다 교랑 디베 니주디 교랑기 교래도다 디 교랑 나게 쳐잡아 인자 근데 교랑기 교래 하스 아니 교랑 삼지 미지 지게도 삼다 아도 된다도 교랑기 교래도 교랑 나게 쳐잡아 제샤 소슬라비나니 에 바저데 노라 퍼지고 거르사르도와 아드레 마르데 교랑네 교요 마다디지 가르소지 꼬라르지 겹제 다디 람산지 가소에 다 남균 좀 대셔러버데 어다 데지 가소에 they are different circumstance 아저다 다데 균 규게 망고시다요 아레스 and they do something that the current husband don't have man don't do it 가서 아지 제부터 너도디 바 통연유다 코란베 나게 찾아와면나 코란 시스템 그 남도 교회에서도 다얀티베 그도 시야잖아 안 보도록 봐. 안 보도는 남디 셈마가 찾아 안 덴바시야나 그래서 덴바서 말다 두경 아주 야 베베게 시야단지 킹중 제하를 줘러 봐 베네 최시두산 킹동지아로 땅에 개 신림에 개 구매 알아 냠내매 딱 강가매 아니 딱 삼성 주주 자세 시war래다 베 현대 삼바야 매스다 지스두산 다 봐줘디 지게 고조 고알베 커도 고알래 저 현대 삼바 유사 말이 콜 고아 유사 말 냠내 유사 말 강가 유사 말이 니 자는 좀인도 가면도 삼 근데 고고안에도 와 아니 마시네야 참사야 소수께서 내마시나야 저 소수 소수에 뭐 사고 애들이 막 요러 봐. 다 대시에 문유지. 그치 내먹고 시에 문유지. 다 사보시 배 퇴고와 사보를 시에제. 배지 가서에 사우르지 망고 단지 엔베 제법 망고 체제 즉 사우르 단지 가로지 고와 상보를 진예제. 어다디 이제 제자한다디 대 share 마 가수 꾸란 소리마 고아 소수 강 고알련 데버디 좀 마셔 뉴스 어디 지스 가르쳐야 땅 원에 진짜 아주 산다 사모르스 그러봐 고주 다들 고민도 스타트 고교 해민도 스타 사드네 용도 봐 아니 가로되는 저거 말하다 고버이나다 지금 야면 대 게임 먹을 대비해서 저러봐 내 삼사지 가버리지도 돼 에네 안다나 집에는 드린더지 내려지 나가서 치기에 같이체 아니 배박 같이 예비 인도사네 남중 안에 시에다 치기에 시에다 배박 시에다 내에서 말아 지시가지 저 다들이 배박의 지게니가 여자 지게를 시야를 시하고 있는데 배박을 시야를 시하고 있는 하마고 되지 되지 차선신이지 아니 스템플을 보면 있어도 안다나시 양만 자는 양 기주기 양 미치 못 더도 계속만 자는 나도 내 인도사네 다 가버리죠 남시디에 차지 난 우리나라에 망하지 가버도다 자자 루버군이 쓰듯이 주나나 가서 당연히 시주와 디간 되바잖아 가서 가로되나 구버도 망보시에나 아니 기주를 쓰버사 지시하면
So along this line, actually giving teaching is somewhat challenging because depending on this cultural and social background and upbringing and so forth, different ways of teaching seems to be necessary. So when teachings are provided or given to Tibetans alone, and I think it comes across more like commands, and this is what you should do, and this is not what you shouldn't do, and so forth. It comes more in the form of command or order, and with the sense that there is a basic confidence, a basic foundation or background of confidence is there, and so it can be sort of presented in that way. And that seems to work well for Tibetans. But maybe those outside of the Tibetan sort of the cultural upbringing and needs to be taught differently. And then probably when taught differently, when Tibetans are listening, it doesn't sound much like a formal teaching. It sounds like a general discussion taking place and more sharing of opinions or some kind of dialogue. It doesn't sort of come through as formal advice, guidance that are providing. And so what do you think about this? Don't you see it this way, and so forth? It comes across like we have a discussion going on, and then maybe for the Tibetan framework of mind, it doesn't come across as teaching. And caught between, it's not easy. And caught between, when you try to churn up something, not much else comes up. So other than thinking of some words that the great master Dukpa Kunle had spoken. And so anyway, I just thought of some words to pass it on you. And so he had said that if one says something, tells something honestly, and then it's that some people it sort of hits their ego, and then if the truth is told, and then sometimes it causes embarrassment, and then if you speak something profound, it's not understood. Say something profound, and if you say nothing, then you seem like quite dumb person. And so, caught between these, it's like that. So what Rupa Kullen seems to saying that, for instance, if somebody tells you and something quite honestly, and one experiences vulnerability from the point of one's pride. One's pride can't handle, even though it's a fact, it's a truth, and the way the truth is told directly, one's pride just can't handle, so it creates bad feelings, and then in the name of skillful, we kind of have to tell it indirectly, or sometimes even say, oh, the person doesn't really mean that, in the circumstances and so forth, and different cause and conditions and so on and so forth. So kind of just to make it more, let's say, cushion it with different ways, and to try to say, avoid the bare truth. So, and then when something is told, said honestly, sometimes it gets misunderstood, because in the tradition of the Dharma teaching, many teachers known to express their humility, and sort of like a traditional thing also, to express humility in terms of that I do not know much or do not know anything, I have no experience, and then that Shantideva in the Guide to the Bodhisattva's Way of Life even goes as far as saying it's not for the purpose of benefiting others that I have composed this. And so that much humility is expressed. But in a different cultural context, like in, for instance, to the extent I understand it, in the Western cultural context, then it is taken on the face level. So what's the use of going to this teacher who doesn't know, who has no experience, who have no interest in benefiting others? Might as well as go to somebody else who would be much more equipped, with other credentials and all the other whatever long list of credentials. So sometimes when you tell the truth, it's misunderstood. And then, of course, some truth, if you have to admit, it is embarrassing for one, that the mistakes that one have made or whatever, that unwise things that one might have done. So it brings embarrassment, and then best not to say those things that embarrasses others. And now, sometimes when concentrating on substantial matters and some in the core, the truth that benefits others, sort of like essential truth presented, it happens to be very profound for the listener and doesn't comprehend, doesn't appreciate. There's no sort of common understanding taking place, and so again, it doesn't serve the purpose. And so it seems best that you just keep quiet, keep to yourself. But then, well, you sound pretty dumb, can't even say anything else. And so, in this way, that presenting the teachings is quite a challenge. Now, on top of the this four things that Rupa Kunle had said, then I might add that if I say quite a lot, then the translators look up at me with big eyes and show their disinterest or whatever, and
angry face.
Angry faces.
다 가사 그 시베 라마 탐베 라메 당과 만오 고사데 다 가사 그 시베 사데 가보시라도 와데 애네가 저지 뱅글 파벌루족이 시진 나로리아 에너지 암나 벨레 샤르 소브나시 아 신도 암나 신도 암나 서바 신도 암나 다 암이 인지로 가대 암나 다 신도 암나 벨레 샤다 간다 배 치미라 나마미바 나미네 치마미바 니가 민베사들이 영어 미죠 대주산에 참참 좀미捐钱时呢그 남교야고시 대신도와 그 남교의 바지지 미 교매 지레베 남교지 가수에다 배지 마지 술주에다 배수 지 수여로 상부 수여로 차디 요수 차디 국회요 세상 그 요수 제바당 제바디 딜리아 대점 치 남교를 잡냐 하는 거 그렇지 그래서 난기 다 디니 마통스네 라도 난기 정신 마통 디온데 도와 양 가세 요 가세 난정 차나 상부 이베체 이내 그 남교당 안다나지 시거래 가지 토나야 지 디뷰 지 가서 헙디 대비미나 지 나와 마줘야 되다 로르마버데 망베온데 도와 배차서비나 안 마르버 샤바나 지주 마르바 로자 마바 로자 마베 어디데 로자 마베 시거도 계속서 시거도 92시르디 아니 지바데 라우사 홉데 tik대비는 지 고란리아 로데 죄된게 로마 자슈 밀레레베레 대파 가르수에다 델레야베 지도 건도를 제제 아니 지 가수에 나주에 단대는 소식 통도와 뭐 어디 대비나 제가 디소를 전에 딱 가사 의견 사디 아주지 홉디 대비지 가수에 베베 그유나라 야나 홉디 대비지 야나 상숨시비 시에나 지사 저봐 야나 홉디 대나 싱그레스 다야나 쇼숨시베 시에서 기시베는 시 딱한다 지 가사의 교사디 춘지자 오늘 전에 지 띵페로지다 nen데지기 권의 제거하래도 마도 디디 가스 가르지 가르다 치기 넘버 점다 야나지 년자 점다 다 야나지 가르 소수 가신 점공안도 심의는 바지这没有属实一下미sid 마야고스만 무슨 다 마간 말로 전주로데
So explanation on this point, it is necessary to select instruction of one's guru and mistakenly to understand the difference between instructions that are appropriate and inappropriate. Actually in the Tibetan it comes across that one needs to examine the individual as well as the instructions. So here in connection with the individuals, in terms of the individual's shortcomings and the good qualities, it would be very difficult to say on face level. And as Nagarjuna had also pointed out, that it would be like in a way, looking at a mango fruit, and that if it seems ripe from outside, there is no definite indication that it is ripe inside too. And so it's inside, if it's ripe, then not necessarily it also shows quite clearly outside. So along the same line of example, it is a very difficult actually thing to figure out or discern as to whether somebody is that with all kinds of flaws or qualities of goodness and perfection. As we know in the world that certain individuals may be having lots of faults, but can act in such a way in context of society that is able to come out with the right kind of the flair, external flair in terms of the mannerisms, like as if, you know, the person is the best one and noble one and so forth. So one has you know, become a professional in being able to present oneself in the most civilized way, while that is not so as far as one's actual character is concerned. Then on the other hand, there are certain individuals that who had incredible inner qualities of goodness and noble qualities, but do not necessarily become apparent externally. And there are many such people, and for instance, even in the case of great prominent masters like Marpa. And so the Marpa, his external character, the way he comes out, probably sort of in a way looks very strange to other people because he had a very uncompromising personality, and that he comes across even to the extent that his most trusted, to his most trusted disciple, the one who really he could count on, Milarepa, and he, you know, put him through all the hardship. It's like, looks like even the one who he could trust and count on, he appeared like he bullied him the most. So in that way, it is very difficult to say just from the appearance, you know, and to be able to make it definite as to what a person is like. And there is a Tibetan saying towards this, intended to sort of help in that either you understand somebody instantly, like the instinct point of view, or that it could take you 3 days to get a sense of somebody. But basic point is, unless one has gone through pretty careful observation and sort of go deeper into knowing somebody, then it would be very difficult to actually that you are correct. It would be difficult that you have made the correct sort of assessment. For instance, if one goes by external appearances, and if one goes by fame, and if one goes by personal preferences, if those are the sort of criteria that one would use to determine how good somebody is, then obviously it would become very questionable.
lama tse uye, lama deng uye, lama nge tsawe lama kwaya res. Nzugu tsu sho, ngochu ji shu. Shala yore, nuru yore, shana yore, waya res. Ta baji lamsan jing zuru zu jebe di jik ti yung kwa naru jik sha di. Ta di zu khan shen di jik lamye kwa le, chiba mang ta ri chue che, ta tashu ri jik samlo tangju sa, ta tunda dodor de nga na jik ko karshu jik samlo na ri kwa chu. Chidang lame tsini de karshui ma ta doda nga an tenshu kange lo na ni lame tsini karshui ta kanda geba la ge kana geba jingbo la kana jingbo duba la kana duba sa na si ta kanda lame tsini li be karshui samsang ya be ji lama tsini yakshu chong na de go re 대대로 뭐주나 배 가르쳐다 배 진이 시작상와 계획상와 사들이 뭔가 왔다 답에 알아주면서는 배 자식 야타 봐 대마존에 자정 없이 담아 대마존에 자정이 주다 무슨 소리 다데 다에 뭔가 와래다 진이 거는 계시 제가 왔으면도 대 이비네야 진이디 창마상怎么样吧 진이 진짜시 창외 라마디 rāngi tēnwē bā chī tāng, wāne chī nē chī rāngi chī rāng lā yā wāne kārshwē. Tā cīnī tēnchā chāng nā mā tā sūshū tēng gu wā rē. Chī tāng kō cīnī jī chāng tō mī tō ngā chū kō rā nyamshīb chē tē kī wā mā rē. Tā cīnī tēnchā chāng wē nā mā tī sūshū tēng gu yā bā yīn tū sā, sā sū tēng tō rūwa chī rē tō mī tō. Tā tī sā mā rā yā gu shī tāng. Tā tēng yā tō mā rā tī, tē rā yā tuñ sē sūm rā chī mē rā sōng tō. tāng bō tī, tā kāntā tēmbar chī gyū kānsā tā lāma ina tī rāngdō bē, tī bē, Khurāng kā rāngdō sō mara bē, tā kāntā Khurāng kā ngūne chī nē kā tā rāngshīn sānān rāngdō, rāngdō sānān rāngdō, tē ngū sūm tō chī tōng tū guayā chī, bā chī kēchī mō mē rō sō, rāngdō yā gu chī chī tōng guayā. Bē tā tēyā tsām tsām kā rā sā na, bē nā rāgēn tā sē lā nō tō yu sā shē tō wā, rāgēn sā tē kō material kō chī gyā rē, tē kō pā tā rā mū tē bī nā sē rā wā rē sō. Sī tā rāgēn tā sē lā nō tō yu sā nā shī, tsām tsām Khurāng kā rāngdō ngō nē tā rāngshī ngō nē tā mā tōng shē nē, kō rāngshī dzū mā tī tōng wā yī mī, bē nā tā lāma tsīnī dā mī tēmbē shī kī tsīnī dā tēmbē sōp tā tuyān shīng kērē. Yā lāma tsīnī dā tēmbē yā, lāma dā tsīnī mī tēmbē sōp tā yā pā tā tuyān sī bē rā wā. Bē rā jī ngō kī chūk tō kā shē yā nā bē nyā bā tā, xiān bā tā tīn chē kī bē sōp tā rā tuyān shē. Yā nā bē pā chā ngō nā jī Khurāng kī lāma yā rāng shī ngō nā tī kā rī mā tī lāma tī ngō mī sō kī chī yin dā xiānpa yinda, lāma yinda, ane bē kāshwaya dā, nyāpa yinda su yin hā gu sī marwa. Chē zāng, lāma yinda rāng dōwa sā na dā dō shī, shī ngō yinda tōng khuaya jīk chē. Nīpa tī, tā lāma sī dū sā na rāng lē yun dē khuṋ mā rī kyū dē bā. Rāng kī yā kāshwaya kūpa chē sā. Ane jī lōb dēn shū sā. Sū sū mā shē bā tī, 안 될래야 근지 쉬니 에는 공기 지 가르쳐에 미셰바데 셰버 챙게 다 이제 남세버 챙게 마세버 세버 챙게 이제 남아지 고가 봐 대구도사 소소 류가이 송고 돈에 안 될래야 배 가르쳐지 지 그밖에 아요 된 거지 되지 고가 봐 그냥 아주 되지 사요 봐 얘네야 이제 다들 배 가르쳐 시작하다 배디 엄마 별이야 dobdo요 dobdo 야 dobdo들아지 dobdo에서 저거 뒤주사네 네 저거 뭐지 거냐 야 다좀 증거했어 네. 얘들이 거냐. dobdizu pezu chobo didu ani be ya ta jun zingor es ben zingni be ya ta jun zingni de be daba king sona de chobo digres da na si ta nge lama de ta ju ya ta ju chene be ju lunga yi sun daba king bar ju na shine ta gyo su che wo la ba re do ma to gang karso ji de le ya be karso ji 토투스 지금 마땅한 전에 깨우수치 랍데나도 버진 지가래입니다. 얘는 연락만 레베 지금 알아주르베 가르사 따상이 카부주베 시에서 지금 시야 여러분다. 다들이랑 같이 시에만 인지나 시험하다. 간다 공연에 연락만 상이 컨디지래도 배 알아주가 알아주 데스베 녀고고 있었다. 녀고 에너지 가르쳐다 다제로 제제. 다 간다 다 류가 이송 통하네 에베 매바게야지가 kü바게야지 중배이나 신이 접수체서 라고도 만다 안지 판도나 상보도 삼사로지 아드가들 봐 샤제 에나고 당시에 그 만당체 엔델레야베 가서에 토르게 만당체 샤샤나 디바진 지가래입니다 안들이 인주산에 아주 당제 당고래서 김센디 다 디니질 토디야 그래 디니주산다 룡아 이송에 관해 지 오늘은 그거 수사지다 소수기 쭉게 노블에 된 초아지 랜덤이 동연지 소수지 가서에 다제리고 당과의 계심이 있어 다 타마디 계시슈디 만다서 다리랑 미디 양지 괜찮을 때서 양미디 양 som단 점을 망보대야 예상 삼자의 공주사리나 가르치리 하고는다. 제자다 숨버디. 오늘은 소수 이체 령계 제초하자래 놈이도. 나도 이게 아주 지스도잖아. 와다 공니지 전부래就是랍디아디 상도된 지금이도 성. 니지 전부 인교수 채워서 교랑들을 전되게 වෙ나 변하지 교랑이 변하지 다 변하 상화를 교랑기에 수지를 시에 마베베 상화 수지길이야베 저 가르에 시에 마베베 상화도 버지 라마들 휴지 라비나 그 슈아요 라말라 오늘은 라마스도 산다베 그냥 알아서 베는지 초보 약수에서는 루투브 초보세네다 초보 약수 초보에 나네 이제 루투브 다 빼매지 다 초보스들 라마스도 초보 약수에 된 있어고로 다들 소소지 상화치슈의 저지 텔레 셰 좋아지다 로투버를 버지다 이제 로데 페어를 주시더니 이제 뭐로다 다 이내 칸에지 교수 저 남한테 이제 정보를 실업 정보를 칸에지 라마도 오늘 전에지 마야 돌아 투디 라마데 라마데라 티게지 시나 라메야 디 가세 고고다용 소소로지 아나지 미신다르 시엔종 소소로지 다들 지금 망부 차용 도와다 다 간다르 지 로테 마게 되베 소시 다 로테 가서데 로테 페르마베텔이야 토디게 유스레 로테 마페르나 다 니지 셴보레 시럽 셴보레 냠내 쉬우지 알아 접수셔야 되는데 바지 배양여서 가르사 라메 천디지게 남된 거 알아 천디지게 남된 지금 남만으로 와지 돼야겠다 이시 띵니 개와지 매비나 어허 다디 천디지게 배 가르소에다 dü남 다 가르소에다 꾸디 생게다 라말이야베 가르소에 교랑의 지스제 랍수야 돼 깔라카모도 디세이게한테 깔라카모도 인게인지 모르도 드레인두산 디균센테네 너나지 이체 로데리 페와 다나지 저 류가 이송권에 그바 처리인 초바 대 다나지 소 라마디 가사디 란동은에지 통바샤 디 숨디 계속 메로송 근데 매매한 지나 나데 나도 망다를 좀 써. 도둑이 인지게를 간들라오지. 공부망 다다들란 공부 팬들 나지고 티베트는 공부망
So this is something I've been thinking over the past few years. Actually, I've put a lot of thoughts into it, in that a number of people come to me and say, can you tell me who is my Lama, or who should I go to as my Lama, and who is my root Lama, and so forth, and is the Lama, you know, on the east, in the east or west, south and north, and so forth, in which direction, you know, my Lama is sort of, you know, waiting for me, and so as if it's something that, you know, in somebody's hand, and can just point you to that direction and that person. And so that's not being so. Anyway, I have nevertheless put certain amount of thoughts into this. So traditionally, in the teachings, because of the importance of an authentic spiritual master, a lot of information is provided, both in the sutras and tantras, as well as in the various different treatises or sastras written by great scholars, and as to what constitutes the authentic qualities and characteristics of an authentic spiritual master. And that also, because of its significance and importance, they're given in different forms, and in accordance with sort of one's aptitude or propensity, shorter version and sort of mediocre version and more elaborated version, as to as much as one can learn about what constitute the authentic, the characteristic of authentic spiritual master. And the best spiritual master should have these and such number of qualities, and should be characterized by such qualities. And at least that a spiritual master should have this much qualification or qualities to be taken up as a spiritual master. So maybe approaching it from our common point of view, so as a, you know, this much is 100%, and this much is 50%, and this much would constitute 20%. So in this way, that you need to look at the characteristics and qualities, and so what makes someone an appropriate or authentic spiritual friend. While these are important and there needs to be taken into account, yet considering from another point of view that the knowledge of all of these qualities and characteristics is probably almost irrelevant, that if on the ground reality one is not able to make the connection with the authentic spiritual friend, and all of these information serves only for theoretical purposes. So there are 3 points or 3 things that are seemingly very important, and one is the first one is the spiritual friend, sort of the object of one's focus, and one should be able to see or understand the spiritual master for, you know, who he or she is, and sort of being able to get a sense of, as we say, the true colors, the true picture of who one is faced with, sort of the true face, if you would. And that is to say that one has seen for what it is, because there is all the possibility that one fails to see what it is. And looking from a looking from distance, even poor brass looks like the gold, looking from a distance. And so, but coming closer at it, one may realize that that is not the true color of gold. So in this way, that because is the appearance what the reality is? Or is the reality what the appearance is? For instance, some in the appearance appear very well mannered and everything sort of in the right place, but not necessarily has the quality of an authentic spiritual friend. And on the other, their behavior, their outer experience doesn't seem to have anything to do with what's being said about what should be constitute the qualities or the characteristic of spiritual friend. Because in the past, the great Siddha masters, some of them live like ordinary householders, and even more than that, hunters and fishermen, and then a hunter, a fisherman for an authentic spiritual friend. So if it's in the appearance, so obviously a hunter and a fisherman wouldn't make the true spiritual friend. So in this way, what is the true spiritual friend? Is one sort of has one encountered the true face, the unmistaken, sort of the true color of a spiritual friend? So then the second is a spiritual friend is someone who has qualities that one would like to benefit from, and who is object of respect, and whose guidance, whose direction one wants to seek, and what one doesn't understand or what is not clear to one, to help become clearer. And so so in this way, that understanding the qualities of the spiritual friend, and so it is very important that one, in a way, that one needs to initially, in order to make sure that some individual is worthy of one's respect, and one should take a sort of closer look, and in some sense that put through, shall we say, the test, and just simply one sort of casually accepting that someone is good is not enough. It's like one has one sort of tested in that, because here is someone to whom one is going to offer the respect of one's body, speech, and mind, and one is going to take this individual as one's crown jewel. And so in this way, that whether is up to that sort of standard or not. And so in this way, then the third is that one, and most important, is the spiritual friend completely trustworthy, and can one completely, has one the can one give complete trust in the spiritual friend? Because that is actually the most important sort of the deciding factor. So in this way that it is not just enough to say, oh, it appears like very compassionate, and so therefore, since he, the spiritual, so-called the spiritual teacher, appears very compassionate, so therefore I go for refuge. And even in our worldly terms, what takes to have somebody become one's best friend. And here, when we're talking about a spiritual friend, it's like the sort of the best of the best friend. And so therefore, in this way, that one needs to recognize that the grounds for complete trustworthy, and is one going to put can one put all one's trust? Is one going to put all one's trust into that? And so that way, because sometimes we may say, oh, it's such a worthy being and so full of compassion and so full of wisdom and realization and so forth. But when it comes to the ground reality, that actually one is not able to trust. Trust with the most sort of inner, the secrets of most intimate secrets of one's being, because while one on one hand says wise one and compassionate one and knowledgeable one, but when it comes to trusting, one say, well, if I tell this very secret to this teacher, then maybe it'll fall back on me and it'll be used to sort of take advantage of me, and then would be told to others. Therefore, I don't know whether I want to go as far as trusting. And while that is the main sort of point. And so the spiritual teacher, if one views it from the point of view of is not only the true object of refuge, protector within this lifetime and for all future lifetimes to come, and the sole guide and deserving of one's true devotion or reverence, then the basis for that should be complete trust. And so in this way, that actually a trust in the sense, as we would say, a trust that we have no qualms about sort of signing our life, so to speak, and that kind of trust is needed.
단도나 라마 최세아디 타마부시에두사는 라마 고들 베베 나눠지 지다 라마사도 구루사도 엄마는 베베게 진짜 말다디 뭐라지 야가기 엔다간다지 가데는 유디디주나 예데베게 싫어봤다 이미네 다 별이야 라마사도 베게 유디 라마르차 안 라마사지 싫어 마시에두사네 안 베베게 베게 남바상게 발이야 라메즘사지 싫어도 라메주루스 아는 권에베 라마지 굽네 라마지에베 강갈로베 라마게 셰두산 다디 가셰지 고추고 고몽고야들이 저기스 라바도 라마덴단 지지스두산 고몽고 저도 다도나도 도르드네 라마 최스두산 미상부지 최슈 파질르기 이기 말이다 미상부지 최슈 세와 좀 인기 말해서 다디 초부 상부지 랑기 뢰트 초부 상부지 최슈스 미상부지도 어디 데바바질이야 삼바 상부 인지에 된게 셰르비에 된게 드리시 노스 미 최슈스가 다 조디 소수 이제 련게 제소사 드리지기 초부 상부지 지금 최슈스를 하래 드리 인도산에 또 되버지 셰비나 소수직 최냠린 제배 가수에 지금 최냠린 스피리추얼 파트 소말 최냠린 자급의 최적이 랑과디강이야 주두산에 에네딜리아베지 마노르베 람드에 칭게당 로 칭게기 초보 상부 초보 류도지 다 드네지 제고도 섬서 드네지기 초보 상부지 차야 드네지 상로 스타지고 상로 가서에 다 초보 차에서도 산 더버지 딜리지 시라 시비시비지다 고몬 거야 스케미도 왔다 소수기 다 대양 주 소수기 정보 상부지 가셔야지 인도에 정보 상부지 세도야 근데 지금 상으로 take it easy somewhere 다 take it easy that's 세마다 천사진 고마를 고를 수 뭐지 근데 지금 배제 라마츠에서도 산지 앞서지 남로 불통계 사는 주통계는 지지 배매지 최고도 소자르지 간sam수도 상고를 배용도 아 이제 매미지 다 간다 도도디 다 개외 신년 스도자 신년 사데 초보함 야나데 삼삼비 냠 초보를 그거로 봐 소수기 빈장 아니 초보 근데 대야 다 디가 넘베스 가르쳐 버렸잖아 개외 신이 개외 초보함 개외 녀스 아주 진직된게 아니 지시루인데 빈제다 개말해 진직된게 도와는 아주지 초보지대한테 말하디 이내 최소 최기람이야 쇼베 걸이야 안 아주지 가르쳐 이된 페르토베 아니 초보상보지 제거하래 이제 초보상보지 도민도 따야지 답 되버지 시면 이제 좀 제도 와 다 되려야 지금 내배를 지금 아니도 간섭선 주소 삼 제 가르쳐 미팅 그룹 체인에서 가장 간섭 선두산에 아니 제 좋아만 거 연행해 주 question mark 시부지 내야 된다 들려야 렌자만 동에서 린니 좀 하고 연도 와 드린 나도 어디 자랑 그 뒤에 초보 삼부 세비나 가르쳐 얘기 봐 근데 가지 미지 랑갈 투스 야도 가버 투스 어다디 저랑 아예 초보 인스 엔델베 초보 당간 치기인다 야는 얘네야지 초보 지자야 친구는 꼴이야고 지 얘네야 주주디 10체 너그 유를 갈아간 사람 렌소나 근데 신의 갈리지 초보를 좀 사야지 쳐로 봐 나들이 좀 산테는 진짜 거다 빠지 거야 인스래 다다게 도도들랑 시험하수다 Tibetan.
No. So just the three essential points in the second one. Sorry, I had left out one part, probably many others, but this one, obvious one, and that is, His Holiness was saying that in the past, in the big Tibetan monastic institute, there were monk security personnel or disciplinarians known as Dobdob. They are dressed and in a special way, very tough-looking ones. And so that, and then that sort of between themselves, they, you know, have sort of shoulder-to-shoulder sense of pride. And prior to any two Dobdobs becoming close friends, sort of heart-to-heart friends, first they have big fights. No. And so after having gone through enough fights, and then they come, at the end, they become the closest of friends. And so, which is another way of saying, so when you spiritual friend, if you want to have somebody as a true spiritual friend that and object of respect, it wouldn't be practical to just sort of shelve it up as an object of, you know, reverence. And one needs to have certain definite interactions, and in the way of, you know, analyzing, sort of putting through test, so to speak. And then that finding out for through practical experiences that one is a great and noble being, worthy of objects of refuge, finally come to that conclusion, not just initially jumping into some conclusion. So in this way to approach. Now, when we're talking about spiritual friend, guru or lama, and very frequently, you know, the word Lama is used, and actually it is not something just Tibetan or not something new. And when Buddhism came from India to Tibet, and then the translation of the Guru, the meaning of which being Lama, and then what is Guru, what is Lama is obviously spelled out clearly in many of the teachings and treatises. But since while it's an important issue, and yet when the word goes around, Lama and this and Lama that and everything, in whatever context, and then of course sometimes it gets taken out of context, instead of becoming a source of clarification, it seems that it's also become source of confusion, and say, oh, like certain the individuals outside of the Buddhist environment saying, oh, it's so we're talking about Lamaism, the Lamas, the religion sort of thing, and so everywhere is Lama, and but it's nothing to do with Tibetan. It's the translation of the word Guru, and then so one needs to find an authentic Lama or teacher. And so to put it in a more sort of simple and clear term is that it's not talking about finding a good person, that you should be looking for any good person, and somebody who is who appears or who is very thoughtful, very intelligent, and seems to have the right manner. We are talking about finding a good friend. And so it needs to be understood in that light. And a friend who can help one guide on the path of the Dharma. And a friend who can be completely trusted. And so that more than ordinary friend, and that is a spiritual context. And so it's important that it's not that one is looking for just any good person, and so, and it's what is a Lama and should be the qualities and everything, making it more source of confusion. One is to say that one needs to find it's a personal relationship in the context of spirituality. So simply put it to finding a good friend who can guide one spiritually. And so if you look at that way, things become a little bit easier, and so that one can just begin to take it easy. Otherwise, if one has all these out of one's confusion and all kinds of thoughts, then one has all this glamorous notion of the Lama. Maybe one should be looking for someone who is flying through the space, or who just simply in an instant disappear into the depth of the earth, and so forth. And so this could become very misleading. And so one needs to find a friend who one can trust, not an ordinary worldly friend, but in Tibetan Geweshenya or Kalyana Mitra, a friend who can give one, the friend plus who has the spiritual, who can guide one spiritually, and who one can trust complete. So simply the focusing on that would be more realistic. Otherwise, then if one thinks of all these different things, all kinds of unending questions arise, and these questions only lead to more confusion. So to put it again further simply, and the essence of it is, so normally how would you find a good friend? how would you look for a good friend normally? And probably in the same way. And if you are walking and you meet somebody, seemingly nice person and intelligent and so forth, and would you go to that person and immediately say, would you become a friend of mine? Yeah, probably you wouldn't. And in order for somebody to become your friend, you would want to know more than just, the first sight. And so whether there's the materials for that friendship is there or not. So in this way, in some sense, approaching that same way.
Okay, and Shibadi, Shirab the Taban and Lama Tukon Lambashi girls. Tadi Shirab the Deba, or that again Deba Jort, this Jort.
So the fourth one is it is necessary to enact the intentions of the Holy Guru with knowledge, faith, and diligence.
Tadalea, the Shirab Sadi, Chitojo the Shebi, Shirab di, and Gantum, Chitojo the Shebi, Shirab di Jami, Sumban and Sinchen, Jidang, Shishegi, Shebi, Shirab Zamsigi, Jidang, Shebi, Shirab Zamsigi, but in three mebre. She's a shebi, Shirab Zamsam, as in Jitolia, knowledge. The knowing the Shirab to stand knowing the Chishan and the Gurbata. Other in Duzana, Shay knowledge, shebi, Shirab Zamsig, Medici. Gabdelia, Shirab Sedusana, Shebi, Jabs, Shebs the Hakor, Jishan and Miro. At the Jabs Sedustan Chotu. Shebi, Hakoi Nane, Java. Hakwaya Yashu de Karagorisana. That's all the Panglangi. Panglang Susheba. That the Digilia Shirapsu. Panjaka Ranlia, Karpingo. Rana Karinudu. Rana never de Pangua Yimba. G. Hako. Rana Pembadi, Sube Karswe, Langua Yimba. And a Dugua Jiba Hako. The rich Hakung in Shebam and the Hakung and Karswe. That knowledge that knowledge some that knowing some rich Hakung Delia, Shirapsu honest. That in was come the Shirap the Richico. That Delia, Shirap Delia, the Shebe, Gavin, and Penachin, Tessam goes on Shirap. That Tessam goes on Shirap de Gas Karswe. Tessam goes on Shirap Chibi Pingamindo, Tessam goes on Shira but some Sigian Jimona Shirap Namajin Guriomio, Tizumba Jaza, sometimes the Train was not so the Tessam goes on Shirap Namas in Gugu Yabina and Tebe Shirap with Tambo when Yomo was Shepard. And it's not a Shiragi. Nyomoba Gonebache. And Gobe Shirogi Nyomoba Zawana Jebache. That the Digigi, Dandonaji, Nyomoba Nyambolea, Chini, the Panglang Judo Chingi, Rale was Nenge Nyomoba Imba. Energy to Nyamso Lands Druzedi and the Chamba the Nijila Soba Yimba, the Hakoche. Was the Digigi, Landorn Dolin, Chene, Lane, Da Chumbi Yimina, and the Shini, Tesson goes with the Shirp de Zoine, Shirp Namajilia, you are Jimata, Jedaya, the Junji, and to Tesam Jeji, the party that Tesam that goes on Shirp indoor cover the already immunity, Dada Oneji, Tamji Namali and Drama to Sadi, and some coverage of Mendoson. Not the Indusana, Zozo, Tindiji, Tandona, Tindiji, Langdor, Jebi, Shirp Jeba Imina, Shine, Lamia Gomba, Lentores, Lamia Maji, Sunshine Nambi, Nerado, Dana Shinji, Kasre. Lame to Gomba, Shaba Karayabdi, the Nijic Langdor and Jungdo Shingi. That the Yunguru Abena Lame Ma, that Yorang Cheese Adi, any Che and Majis are the Majets, Nijigi, Hakwa, Jumbina, and a Shinego, Lame Pento, Lame Loma Pento Sade, so the Lame Den Savage, Landor Nedi, Sushi Yamlin Shabatella Dene, Energy, Kaswe. Pentre Jumbode, Redwa. The name of Digun Dene. 다 시럽 딘데 신스래 다바지 딘데 삼샤고 만줘 바지 다 딘데 브라드 제 인자 수수수 공신지 다샤셔 모두 진이 아야 한다.
So in this particular line, what is important is in Tibetan the word sherab, which is generally translated as knowledge. And so sherab, which has these two syllables, she is to know, and rab is in the sort of the in the most profound way or the perfect way to have known. So it is. It should not be, when we talk about sherab as wisdom or knowledge generally, it should not be misunderstood in terms of just general intelligence or the the ability to have general knowledge about whatever general things about the world. So we're not talking about having good know-how of the secular general knowledge, but we're talking about profound knowledge, and that is a more penetrating wisdom. And what is the characteristic of that penetrating wisdom is different from any other forms of ordinary knowledge, is that it cultivates one's ability for intelligent discernment, sort of discerning wisdom. And that is, discerning wisdom is, what is it wholesome? What is it that is wholesome that one should integrate, embrace? What is it unwholesome that one should get rid of or abandon? In other words, if embracing of any activity, any engendering of any thought is harmful to one, and now and in the long run, one should have the understanding that is to be abolished or abandoned. And any thought and action that is beneficial for now and for the future, and that is to be embraced. So from that point of view, a true know-how in terms of discernment. And so in this way, that one needs to understand what is the knowledge that one needs to have, the knowledge of the discernment. And then elaborating on that, generally we talk in terms of cultivating the three kinds of wisdom, the wisdom of hearing, and the wisdom of understanding, and of reflection, that is contemplation. And so, even in this instance of that is, strictly within the frame of the Dharma, we talk in terms of the developing three wisdoms. That one has heard, that one thinks that one has understood, and that one has the idea of having applied, embraced, that alone doesn't seem to be sufficient, or there is no guarantee. Actually, the purpose or the work of true wisdom, true knowledge has taken place. So in order to make sure or alert oneself as to how true knowledge has really seeped in to one's being, that if one understands the if one understands the if one understands the limitations of the mental afflictions, and then that is connecting with the wisdom of hearing. Wisdom hearing is to know what are mental afflictions, and the wisdom of hearing, wisdom of understanding is that one is able to bring about a diminishing of the mental afflictions, that is upheavals or whatever, mental afflictions. And the true indication of sign of having actually applied the wisdom is having uprooted the mental afflictions altogether. And in the place of these mental afflictions, the genuine birth of loving kindness and compassion is given. And so in this way that it needs to be understood realistically along that line. So just simply getting bogged down with treatises and with the intellectual satisfaction of knowing is not really possessing the wisdom. Now when we talk about the relationship with student and teacher, that whatever one does must be in accord with the wishes of the spiritual friend, teachers. And what would accord with the wishes of the spiritual teachers is that when the teacher spells out what it is that one should embrace, spells out what it is that one should abandon, that one understands, there is a common understanding taking place. And since one has understood it, and in accordance with the wishes, then that obviously it benefits in the way of first understanding mental afflictions, then diminishing it or uprooting it. And if that's happening, then one gets benefit from it. And that's the purpose and the role of a spiritual friend. And so the relationship is now working. And unless and until that relation is producing that practical result, then obviously there is some problem in terms of not comprehending that relationship properly.
다 드네 뉴스안에 다 너나 다 담아들이야 중지 시행하는다 다 세면 간제디 다 드네 뉴스안 당 안술리 긴상 시리 이야기 신제 밀리아 지 리고 망고지 스타번 얘기야 이내 리고 니체 상모디 오늘 고야지 제도도 민도 삼야부스 당고야 뒤술래도 왕아서 아메지 시리기 리고 가셔 pena tangbu pena ta explosion samar de de bam swa de so tangbu ngene ya ji tab de bo yong ya ji da ane ji le la la chue chao yong ya ji che ta zo bena le ga le ya de so pena kar so do cham bo de le ya a zo zeme par che ane ko langa su du sa ne zeme par che do sha ga che de ji do she du sa ne ta to wa shu che song ge ne do sha go chu na ga le ha bu ye be yin za ane le la la chue che be che do ane ba ze zeme de su ba ze de su sha 다 제마 데 리버디 배조 라고를 치니 안다 밤스에다 기우기 차서 쳐야게 잘라는 연구로도 되네 인주산에 그 리버지 여러데 리버디 양고 배조 라고를 줘야 지당 로시 비지당 양데 리버디 오늘 수소 과야지도 먹어야지래도 삼당 과야지도 되네 리버 요새 삼아 가수에 시럽이 임바당 에너지 가수에 고충미 이제 상으로 미시디 시럽 전부도 배 고충부시단 도사 되게 고충부도 시럽 전부 노릇노릇 식도다 다들 양에 중시에나 낭망마 다들 유로피안 중지 이사래 내가 사자 거의 하고 있어 엄마지리야 아니 타운 somewhere 정세지 나로리 아마 김치 알았어 정세지 나로리야 미망고 알았다 디나네 아니 룽베 랑가 순두 칼이야 데데 아마 김치 알았어 머리 랑가 순두 가도와 아마 김들이야 정보 김치 주가 말았어 가라서 목카 라베 아마 주도베 주도차 망체 아니 잘라들 봐 예두산 수산 저거 말았어 정보 김치 뭘 그거 말았어 다 니마질이야 미스터 타칼라고도 왜 Mr. John. Mr. Jones, that could not only an image got on us. March got much led to San, the Gimut in your of the lady. Curiosity. 나 Mr. John 나 아니 디 기무디 다 드링아 내가 쉬 제사 총계난 쪽도 지다랑 보고 된 걸 야로 지스 보고 야 보고르다야 야 다나 보고도 맞다야 다 보고지 야로 지스 어도 보고 데메스 보고 대 야데 보고 다다 데메스 아마 기무디 아니 저랑 그디 가서 껴주시야스 보고 당고라 저랑 그 고래 잡이야 방에 통중스 저랑 그 야니에 만드니 이제 라브레스 알아 미스터 존 근데 말했어 다나 숍에랑 예 빙가 민예 오마디 아니 봉구 상말로 대제 종계 나로를 잘라len가 친송스 다 대신 근데 제래야 잡로는 봉구게 잡이 했어 그 봉구게 잡았어 아마 게모도 컨트사다선 저랑 이제 정보 kim세라 준신 저랑 밑 두자진도스 안 미스터 존게 그 저랑 빼 두자는 정보 kim세 계좌 이제 맞으면 분규게 이제지 그게 다 민두스라로 봐 분규게 가용으로 따이네 저랑 걔는 정보 kim세 계좌 이제 맞으지 분규게 이제지 네 저랑 빼 두자레스 알았어 한데 미든 거 중세지도 왔다. 다 무슨로 분규게 개위네 딱그 맨도지. 분규 셰프데 다들이 디소르지다. 고 중부선 선선 리부디디 안다 가서 선선 진영몽바 망고는 베견을 미저지 폐외 견을 두고도 와. 근데 인도산에 당한수지 섭섭치고요. 나버들 디산 뒤름 이슈自己吧. 뭐왜 야게베 신도 체외 다르지这个 야게 침부정의 거리야. 오늘 전에 소소 펜반 장신을 펜반도 뇌바 가르래도 근데 예와데 마치비체 근데 전에 간다고 가서 펜이 예와 마치비체지 그 야게 양야 인체제 아니면 치비나 니마질이야 덴데 지가서에 점링 시부디 아니 가서 안직에 탈도 넣어야지 용사로 이 삼당과 해 개좀 있어요. 다디 차위는 오늘 차위는.
So at the end, I just thought to tell you that while there is a lot of these days discoveries made as a result of various different scientific explorations and experiments, and so much has come up in the way of development and new ideas and new avenues for intelligence and so forth. And of course, it's always difficult whether it's real intelligence or manipulative cleverness. And you know, if you talk about like the origin of the these days destructive bombs, maybe initially that wasn't the idea, and maybe idea was supposedly something good, and then it kind of got out of control. And sometimes we need in the road constructions huge boulders that if one were to try to hammer them down could take you know just whatever number of days, and yet you can blast it with these explosives, and then in a matter of short time it could be cleared away. So maybe initially it was for that purpose, but now, you know, in the name of intelligence and new ideas and new possibilities, and so one needs to maybe alert oneself. One shouldn't get too carried away by this fancy about in the name of development and discovery and scientific exploration and so forth. And when it all comes down to is the sort of self-destruction. And so anyway, I tell you one story. Maybe there is some correlation. And anyway, this story took place somewhere in Europe. I don't recall the specific place. A village a small village in Europe with a lot of people, and it has a little sort of intersection where people usually meet. And near the intersection, there was home of, among others, one elderly lady, and unfortunately, the neighbors took a dislike for her and didn't like her, and because she was always constantly talking a lot, and then she would go to the neighbors to borrow whatever things, and then she never returns them back, and so unfortunately she was seen more like a nuisance. So, but this time, and one morning she was knocking on the door of her more immediate neighbor, Mr. John, and knocking on her door, and then opened the door, and he was unpleasantly, surprised, or, she had come, which the neighbors didn't like. And so she said, John, today I need to borrow one of your donkeys. No, this is not the donkey before. No, this is a different donkeys. So, and I need to borrow, your donkey. And he said, oh, so sorry, donkeys are gone, they've been taken into the whatever nearby town for transportation, whatever. And the lady said, no, don't trick me. It just only last night I saw, the donkey nearby your house. Yes, but this morning my younger brother took all of them to the market, and so no donkey. And as he said that, and the donkey started, what is the noise? Braid? Huh? Brain? Yeah. The donkey braid? Yeah. Or the donkey made the donkey noise. Okay. And so then, of course, the lady got very upset. Look, what are you telling me? Because the donkey, the braying. And he said, and John said, what you telling me? You're going to believe me, your immediate neighbor, or donkey? And so well, these days, people even try to outsmart you that way. See? Are you going to believe me or the donkey? And so in this way, given the world where we live in, and, everybody's there to try to outsmart each other, and in the name of intelligence, and we are totally amazed by all this material development, all this scientific advancement, and we are possessed by development, and failing to see the consequences of the development, failing to discern all this incredible development that we are possessed by are leading us to greater benefit or more harm. And the possibility is one day, in the name of the development, we would lose the only planet that, shelter us, and that is the source of our sustenance. So in this way, that so to believing too much in all these, possible fancy ideas and new recourse for intelligent this and that, not necessarily a very intelligent, not necessarily bright ideas, but maybe they should be taken with some sort of pinch of salt.